Chapter 12, Raggedy Ann and the Kite. By Johnny Gruelle, abridged. A questions first. What were the children making? Ans. The children were making a kite. Second. Why did Marcella offer the children Raggedy Ann to tie onto the kite? Ans. Marcella offered Raggedy Ann to tie onto the kite because she thought it would make the kite fly better and she wanted Raggedy Ann to enjoy flying. Teen. What did the children do when Raggedy Ann and the kite fell down? Ans. The children ran in the direction where Raggedy Ann had fallen to find her and the kite. 4. Why did the robins fly away from their nest? Ans. The robins flew away because Raggedy Ann was lying too close to their nest, and they were afraid. 5. How did Marcella feel when she couldn't find Raggedy Ann? Answer. Marcella felt sad, worried, and upset when she couldn't find Raggedy Ann. B. Reference to context. Lines from the poem. 1. Will you please pull down the kite now? A. Who says these words and to whom? Ans. Marcella says these words to the children. B. Why did she want the kite to be pulled down? Ans. She wanted the kite to be pulled down because she was afraid Raggedy Ann might get lost or hurt. Lines from the poem. 1. Will you please pull down the kite now? C. What happened next? Ans. The children did not pull the kite down, and soon the kite and Raggedy Ann fell and got caught in a tree. B. Reference to context. 2. See the nice yarn. We could use it to line the nest with, she said. A. To whom are the words addressed? Ans. The words are addressed to Daddy Robin. B. What happens next? Ans. The robins pull some yarn from Raggedy Ann's hair to line their nest, which loosens her. B. Reference to context. Though, see the nice yarn. We could use it to line the nest with, she said. C. How does this help Marcella to get back her rag doll? Ans. Because Raggedy Ann becomes loose, she peeps down from the tree, and Marcella's parents are able to push her down safely. C. Words and meanings. Question 1. Find these in the story. A. 4 words for observations, example view, watched, saw, looking, peeping. B. 6 words for sounds, example sung, cried, shouted, chattering, quarreled, called. C. Words and meanings. 2. Find words for the following. A. To argue, quarrel. B. A room, often used for storage, in the roof of a house, attic. C. To shine with a gleam that changes constantly from bright to faint, twinkle. 3. Use the following in sentences. A. Suddenly, the kite fell from the sky. B. Remain steady. The kite remained steady in the air. C. Fell right into. Raggedy Ann fell right into Marcella's arms. D. Grew restless. Marcella grew restless when she could not find her doll. Subscribe, like, share, and keep watching more lessons.